And welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Student. In this video I am going to tell you guys about the blueprint, syllabus, exam pattern and the deleted topics of English of class 12th. So let's begin. Okay, so first let's see the books which we have to study. First is Flamingo and second is Vistas. Okay, so in Flamingo we have two parts, that is prose and poem. In prose we have total 5 chapters, namely first the last lesson, second lost spring, third deep water, fourth the rat trap and the fifth indigo. And in poem we have 5 chapters. First, my mother at 66, second, an elementary school classroom in a slum, third, keeping quiet, fourth, a thing of beauty, fifth, Aunt Jennifer's tigers. And in Vistas we have 5 chapters. First, the third level, second, the enemy, third, should wizard hit mommy, fourth, on the face of it, and the fifth, Evans tries an O level. Okay, so now see the writing section. We have letters and job application, invitation writing, notice and advertisement, and article and report writing. So let's see the deleted topics which CBSE had deleted from your syllabus. First is reading, that is on note making and summarizing. And from literature part, CBSE had deleted in Flamingo books, that is from prose, CBSE had deleted poets and pancakes, second the interview, third going places. And from poem part, CBSE had deleted a roadside stand. And in Vistas, CBSE had deleted the Tiger King, journey to the end of the earth, third memories of childhood. And from writing section, poster making, business or official letters, and speech and debate. Okay, so let's see the exam pattern. Reading comprehension will be of 20 marks, writing section will be of 16 marks, literature, that is textbook, your Flamingo and Vistas, will be of 44 marks, assessments of listening and speaking skills will be of 20 marks. Okay, so now let's see the exam pattern. Section A, which will be of 40 marks. First, reading comprehension will be of 20 marks. There will be one unseen passage, 10 MCQs based questions, 1 marks each. So this will be of your 10 marks. And second also, one unseen case based factual passage, 10 MCQs based questions and 1 marks each, total 10 marks. So from literature, 20 marks. There will be also 2 extract from your prose, that is one from Flamingo and one from your Vistas, will be of your 8 marks. And okay, so next, multiple choice questions based on poetry extract from Flamingo will be of 4 marks, and text based questions in which there will be total 10 questions, you have to done 8 and will be of your 8 marks. Okay, so now see the section B, which will be also of 40 marks, writing section of 16 marks, notice, advertisement. Okay, so you guys will have option in notice and advertisement, you have to attend one, either it is notice or advertisement. Up to 50 words, marks is 3 marks. And formal and informal invitation and reply, up to 50 words, 3 marks. Again, anyone you guys have to attempt. Now letter to the editor or letter for job, this will be of your 5 marks. Anyone you guys have to attempt. Article and report writing will be of 5 marks. you guys may either attempt article or report writing. So now see the literature section, which is our textbook, will be of 24 marks. There will be 5 short answer type questions from prose and poetry book Flamingo. There will be 5 questions, 2 marks each, so total marks 10. 2 short answer type questions from prose Vistas, 2 questions, 2 marks each, total marks 4. 1 long answer type questions from Flamingo, 1 questions of 5 marks. You guys have choice in this. You will have 2 questions. You guys have to attempt anyone. And 1 long answer type question from Vistas, 1 questions of 5 marks. Again, there will be options. You guys have 2 questions. You have to attempt anyone. Okay, so that's all for this video. Do like, share with your friends and help them in their studies, and subscribe for watching more videos. And do follow me on my Instagram account, Dizzy Digital Student. DM your doubts on my Instagram account, and as soon as possible our team will try to clear all your doubts. So thank you.